Hello students, welcome you all. I Dr. Zohar. Today our topic is idiom and phrases. So dear students, let us start first idiom. An idiom is a group of words that have a different meaning from the actual words. ठीक है? For example, over the moon. ठीक है? अगर हम इसको अलग अलग से मीनिंग देखेंगे, इट मीन्स चांद के ऊपर. But it is an idiom. It means extremely happy. So we use in the sentence I am over the moon because I have got A grade in my exams. ठीक है. Second one, my hands are full. It means to be busy. I can't do it right now because my hands are full. Third one, break the ice. To say something to break the silence. We had been sitting in the room for 1 hour. Then she asked my name to break the ice. ठीक है. Dear students, अगर हम idiom की बात करेंगे, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दूंगा. जैसे एक गंदी मछली सारे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. ठीक है. न हम इस सेंटेंस में मछली की बात कर रहे हैं और न ही तालाब की. ठीक है. इसका मतलब जब इंग्लिश में देखेंगे, हम इंग्लिश में जब इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे, इट मीन्स वन डर्टी फिश स्पॉइल्स द होल पॉन्ड. अगर चंद लोग, ठीक है, इट मीन्स अगर चंद लोग हैं, अगर उनमें कोई बुरा होगा, अगर उनमें से कोई बुरा होगा, ठीक है, वो सारे लोगों को बुरा बना देगा. ठीक है. वन डर्टी फिश स्पॉइल्स द होल पॉन्ड. सो वी हैव गिवन 3 एग्जांपल्स हियर. ओवर द मून. ठीक है. अगर हम इसकी, मैंने जैसे हमने अभी भी बोला है, अगर अलग मीनिंग इसकी हम देखेंगे, इट मीन्स चांद के ऊपर. बट इट इज एन इडियम. इट मीन्स एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी. So second one, phrase. A group of words as make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. A phrase does not contain a verb or a predicate. Phrase में क्या होता है, ना verb होता है और ना ही predicate होता है. ठीक है. या हम ऐसे बोलेंगे, having no subject or verb combination. ठीक है. No meaning if used alone. ठीक है. But if we use it in a sentence, अगर हम phrase को sentence में यूज़ करेंगे, देन इट हैज़ ए यूनिक मीनिंग. इसकी जो मीनिंग है वो यूनिक बनती है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए ग्रेट टीचर. फ्रेज, अहमद इज ए ग्रेट टीचर. सेकंड वन, टू राइट. इट इज़ आल्सो ए फ्रेज, बट व्हेन वी यूज इन सेंटेंस, ठीक है, इसकी जो मीनिंग है वो यूनिक बनती है. आई नीड ए पेन टू राइट. सब्जेक्ट भी, वर्ब भी और ऑब्जेक्ट भी. ठीक है, सेंटेंस में. तो फ्रेज. थर्ड वन, ए ब्यूटीफुल होम. फ्रेज, तो जब सेंटेंस में इसको मिलाएंगे, आई बिल्ट ए ब्यूटीफुल होम. ठीक है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ए ब्यूटीफुल होम इज आल्सो ए ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. जैसे ये है, टू राइट है, या ए ग्रेट टीचर है, ये भी क्या है, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. बट नो सब्जेक्ट एंड नो वर्ब कॉम्बिनेशन. फिर जब इनको हमने सेंटेंस में यूज़ किया है, ठीक है, जैसे ए ब्यूटीफुल होम, आई बिल्ट ए ब्यूटीफुल होम. ठीक है. सो इट हैज़ नाउ यूनिक मीनिंग. काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रेजेस. फर्स्ट वन, ए नाउन फ्रेज इज वन विच स्टैंड्स फॉर ए नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अहमद लिव्स इन द बिलो हाउस. द बिलो हाउस इज नाउन फ्रेज. सेकंड वन, आई होप टू विन ए प्राइज. To win a prize means noun phrase. Here, to win a prize is noun phrase. Second one, adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is one which stands for an adjective, as he was a boy of great promise. Of great promise, here is adjective phrase. Third one, an adverbial phrase. An adverbial phrase is one which stands for an adverb. I reached the school in the nick of time. In the nick of time, here is an adverbial phrase. Another one, fourth one, a prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is one which stands for a preposition. For example, I can succeed only by dint of hard work. By dint of hard work, here is prepositional phrase. Fifth one, a conjunctional phrase. A conjunctional phrase is one which does the work of conjunction, as I go there in order that I may get some money. In order here is conjunctional phrase. Last one, sixth one, verb phrase is the following types: to run, a deep fear, to see through, to hold out, to listen to. Dear students, now we give below some of the most idioms and phrases. ठीक है, idiom भी है इसमें और phrases भी है. ठीक है. नंबर वन, hand in hand, it means side by side. ठीक है, साथ साथ जिसको बोलते हैं. अब सेंटेंस में इसको यूज जब करेंगे, फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग went hand in hand with education. Second one, wear and tear, it means damage by use, टूट फूट जिसको बोलते हैं. This is not strong enough to stand in wear and tear. Third one, to turn one's head, it means to change, बदल जाना जिसको बोलते हैं. This unexpected success turned his head. Another one, heart to heart, it means frank, साफ साफ कहना जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ठीक है. I had a heart to heart talk with my friend. Another one, in due course. ठीक है. It means at the proper time. I shall inform him of the matter in due course. ठीक है. Another one, hue and cry. Hue and cry, it means a great noise. They raised hue and cry when they saw the light. Another one, kith and kin, it means blood relations. He was surrounded on all sides by his kith and kin. Another one, ups and downs, जिसको बोलते हैं rise and fall. Her life is full of ups and downs. ठीक है. Another one, time and tide, वक्त जिसको बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Time and tide, wait for none. Another one, at the 11th hour. ठीक है. इसको जब सेंटेंस में यहाँ बोलते हैं at the last moment और at the last moment. He came to see me at the 11th hour. Another one, an old hand, it means at the 11th hour means at the last moment. ठीक है. Another one, an old hand. ठीक है. An experienced man. Our office clerk is an old hand. ठीक है. Another one, a white elephant, it means very costly. Such schemes will prove a white elephant to the state. Another one, bread and butter, it means livelihood, रोजी जिसको बोलते हैं. It is very difficult to earn bread and butter during these days. Another one, make fun of, ridicule or ridicule, it means ridicule. ठीक है. मजाक करना जिसको बोलते हैं. He made fun of his classmate. Another one, sleep over, it means leave undecided, गाफिल हो जाना जिसको बोलते हैं. Let us not sleep over the matter. Another one, write off, cancel, खत्म करना. Most of the articles have been written off. Another one, at arm's length, दूर रहना. Keep such bad boys at an arm's length. Another one, come across, it means meet, अचानक मिलना. I came across a madman on my way to school. Another one, do for, it means sufficient. ठीक है. This piece of cloth will do for a towel. ठीक है. काम देना जिसको बोलते हैं, do for. Another one, fall short of, ठीक है. It means less than, कम होना. He fell short of money. Another one, hold up, stop, it means stop. ठीक है. We were help up in the way. Another one, keep away, it means remain absent, ठीक है, गैर हाजिर होना. He often keeps away from school. Another one, keep one's word, it means to fulfill promise. He seldom keeps his word, ठीक है, वादा पूरा करना जिसको बोलते हैं. Another one, look down upon, it means hate, ठीक है, नफरत करना. We should not look down upon the poor. Another one, look through, it means glance, ठीक है. The teacher looked through my essay, ठीक है, गौर से देखना. Another one, pull down, गिराना जिसको बोलते हैं, मिसमार करना. All the buildings on the Nalamar were pulled down. Another one, pull together, it means work jointly. They pulled together and succeeded, ठीक है, मिलकर काम करना. Another one, take to task, ठीक है, डांटना. Rebuke, ठीक है, REBUKE, rebuke, ठीक है. The teacher took me to task for not doing my work. Another one, get through, it means pass, ठीक है, पास होना. Ahmad is sure to get through the examination. Another one, get down, ठीक है, it means उतरना. He got down from the car. Another one, take to one's heels, ठीक है, भाग जाना जिसको बोलते हैं. He took to his heels as soon as he saw the police. Another one, above all, ठीक है, सबसे बढ़कर जिसको बोलते हैं. Above all, he is an honest man. After all, it means in spite of every fact, ठीक है, फिर भी जिसको बोलते हैं. After all, you were wrong. Another one, all of a sudden, it means suddenly, अचानक. All of a sudden, he was run over by a car. Another one, take advantage of, फायदा उठाना जिसको बोलते हैं, to take benefit. We must take advantage of this opportunity. Another one, take into confidence, it means trust, ठीक है, भरोसा. A teacher takes good boys into confidence. Another one, throw dust in the eyes of, it means deceive, धोखा देना. A bad boy tried to throw dust in the eyes of his teacher. Another one, out of the way, it means remote, ठीक है, रास्ते से अलग. He lives in an out the way village. Another one, of iron will, it means will that is not easily bent, ठीक है, पक्का जिसको बोलते हैं. Ahmed was a man of iron wills, iron will. Another one, safe and sound, it means safe, बाहिफाजत जिसको बोलते हैं. The students returned home safe and sound after their journey. Dear students, this was all about today's topic, idiom and phrase. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.